Ooh. Oh yeah.
Relax the head into my hands. We're gonna release the occiput.
Ooh. I'm gonna be taller for sure. Wow. Why is it that crazy? Is it because of weightlifting or?
Balancing your head on top, like it has to balance this 8-pound bowling ball on top of your body all day, and so it just gets tight. That's what I saw on your X-ray. We're 8 times too big. No. Breathe. Just rolling light. Chop.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oof.
Dormant falls. Best crack in LA.